The devil is killing us softly. In 2003, 80% of the episodes of the top 20 shows among teen viewers contain some sexual content, including 20% with sexual intercourse. 2003, 83%. 72% of the songs on the top CDs in 2004 contained sexual content. 29% included direct descriptions of sexual intercourse. On average, music video shows contain 93 sexual situations per hour, including 11 hardcore scenes depicting behaviors such as intercourse or oral sex. Y'all must haven't watched Uncut BET and these other shows lately. Girls who watch more than 14 hours of rap music videos per week were more likely to have multiple sex partners and to be diagnosed with a sexually transmitted disease. Duh. You know, some stuff it don't take the Holy Ghost, amen? Before parents raised an outcry, Abercrombie and Finch marketed a line of thong underpants decorated with sexually provocative phrases such as wink, wink, and eye candy to 10-year-olds. Ten-year-olds that want to feel sexy. 10. Nelson estimates that 6.6 million children ages 2 to 11 and 7.3 million teens ages 12 to 17 watched Justin Timberlake rip open Janet Jackson's blouse during the 2004 Super Bowl halftime show. But you know what? I think America just got real dumb when that happened. Everybody went crazy. Oh, she showed her bosoms. Wow, I can't believe it. I can't believe she did that. But did anybody listen to the songs leading up to that? Nelly came out and sung a song, "It's getting hot in here, so take off all your clothes." P. Diddy came out right after that and sung a song telling the people, "Take off your clothes for me." Justin Timberlake came out right after that and said, "Before this song is over, I'm going to have your clothes off." Nobody said anything, but then when it happened, everyone was shocked. Attempted suicides among sexually active girls. Look at this. 14.3%, I'm sorry. Sexually active teens committed suicide. Non-sexually active, 5. The suicide rate is higher among teens that are sexually active. Look at the boys, same thing. Even higher. Attempted suicides. Why is that? Because a teen is not old enough to manage a serious relationship like that. They're not old enough. They don't understand. They're playing games. They're running an experiment. And when that young girl gets cheated on after she's invested, the one thing she can never get back. Oh, y'all, listen to this right here. When she invests, the one thing she can never get back because she was in love. She can't ever get it back. And this guy done went and cheated on her with somebody else. She can't manage the consequences of that. She can't deal with the pain of that. And the devil knows